Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to open Mazda CX-30 with key full guide. Press the unlock button once for the driver's door, or press and hold for 2 seconds to unlock all doors simultaneously. If the key battery is weak, swap it quickly to avoid lock delays. Keep the key away from water and extreme heat to preserve electronics. I'll walk you through each step slowly and clearly so you can follow easily. If your remote fails, use the mechanical key inside the fob to access the car. Slide the release tab, pull out the blade, and insert it into the driver's door lock. Turn gently. Modern locks are smooth but avoid force. Once inside, start the car per your owner's instructions if the key is required nearby. This simple backup keeps you mobile when electronics let you down, and I will guide each motion clearly. If you are enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like to support the channel and get more practical car tips. Quick recommendation. Try these leak-proof containers I used while prepping snacks for road trips. They save time and avoid spills. Check the description for the link and other deals to grab one for yourself. Thanks for the support, and now let's get back to the video. When the fob misbehaves, a fresh battery often fixes the issue and restores reliable unlocking. If replacing the coin battery doesn't help, reprogramming or syncing the fob can resolve recognition problems. Some vehicles require dealer tools for full reprogramming, so know your options before paying for service. I'll explain simple steps you can try at home and when to call a professional so you save time and avoid stress.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.